Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel. And in this today's video, we are going to take one problem statement and we are going to create a simulation model in the Flexsim environment, okay? And we are going to understand major industrial engineering concepts. We are going to analyze the particular problem statement for a company, and we are going to learn how to create a simulation model to analyze particular problem statement. And there are going to be a lot of exciting stuffs ahead in this tutorial, so stay tuned till end of this video. Okay, so basically let us assume as a first problem statement, okay, and then we can have a consequent videos on the problem statement coming, and then we are analyzing that using simulation study. So this is going to be our first video analyzing problem statement for 2025. So what we are going to do now, okay, so the Flexsim simulation model is what we are going to create now for a problem statement, which is going to be on case study based. Okay, so today we are going to analyze the system and we are going to analyze the bottleneck for a particular line or a company. Okay, so what is going to be happening? Okay, so let us drag in that text into the area. Okay, and the text, I have already created a videos to analyze that. If you haven't watched that, you can watch that. It's available on our YouTube channel. Okay, so let us put a problem statement. Okay, a random industries, okay, is a company name. Random Industries is basically facing an issue as they need to create their planned demand of 450 parts per day they want to produce. A random industry is nothing but a bottle manufacturing industry. Okay, and what they are supposed to do is they have a demand of 450 bottles per day. Okay, and they are not able to achieve that. Okay, so let us put in their problem statement and the LTDs into the system now. Okay, and let us identify why they are not going to achieve that. We have a cycle time for the system now. We will start putting those and then let us analyze what is the issue. Okay, so let us make a source. This is going to be a raw material, okay, which is going to be fed into the system to create a bottle. Okay, so let me make this very fast. Okay, so let me make this as interruptible. So I don't want the source to be a bottleneck for me in a system. Okay, so let us have our first station. Okay, this station is going to have a cycle time of 1 minute, which has been mentioned. Okay, and let us have that named as ST1. Okay, so we have station 1. So I'm just connecting the source to the station 1. Okay, so I have placed the cycle time of that particular station into that. Then we have the another station, and then we have another station. So total basically 3 stations for bottle manufacturing. Okay, so now we have here as ST2, and then we have here as ST3. Okay, so now when we look into this, we are just creating this as a stuff. So we have 3 stations as mentioned by them, and we are putting here the station 2 cycle time as 2 minutes, which has been given by them. And then we have another station named station 3, which has a cycle time of 5 minutes. Okay, now we have this set. Then we have another source as well, which is a cap of that particular bottle. Okay, so a cap of the bottle is coming from another station getting processed, which has a cycle time of 1 minute. Okay, now here we have it. Let us change the color of the bottle manufacturing line. Okay, so it looks somewhat different. So here our dark blue color is a cap manufacturing, and this is our bottle manufacturing. Okay, now we are having the name of this station as STC1. Okay, here it is, and let us rename the source to cap. Okay, so we have a caps manufactured from here, we have bottles manufactured from here. Okay, And now we are going to have this cap and bottle combined, okay, onto, and we are going to have a complete bottle now then. So let us have a combiner here where we are going to basically first take the bottle from here, and then we are going to place a cap on there, which is 1-on-1. Now the station, which is named as ST4, is basically going to have a cycle time of 3 minutes. Okay, let us make this as 3 minutes. So here it is. I'm just changing this to ST4, and we have a cycle time of 3 minutes. Okay, so we have just entered almost all of the details mentioned by them, created their a virtual replica of their line. Now we have combined a cap onto a bottle, right? Now there is another station which they have, and that is basically the paradising station. Okay,
so welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be Aware channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background, so the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website behaviorchannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger and happy life. We have organ related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.